In fact, it gives 40% of the power for Las Vegas, all those lights that you guys see, and 25% of the power for LA County. And if you look out the front of the bus, you will see the bridge that we just crossed over. Looks a little more impressive from down here, doesn't it? That is the second tallest bridge in the United States, folks. 844 feet, second only to the Royal Gorge Bridge in Colorado. And if you take a look out the right side of the bus, you will see the Colorado River. There it is, folks. Looks a little different than it did in the canyon, doesn't it? And it was when we were back there. It was muddy. All right, folks, if you take a look at these towers that seem to be leaning right into the canyon. Folks, if you could keep it down while I'm on the mic, please, just while I'm on the mic. If you take a look at these towers that seem to be leaning into the canyon, those are the actual power cables that go down to the bottom of the dam. The reason they're leaning is because the iron ore in the cliff walls would actually interfere with the power coming out on those cables. So they're leaning out there so they don't touch the cliff walls. Over here on the right is going to be the new visitors center. And if you take a look to the left of the bus, you will see two winged victories. Those are actually in memoriam of the 96 men who died during the building of the dam. And if you remember, I told you the first person who died and the last person who died were father and son. All right, folks, right now we're looking at the intake towers. If you look to your right, you'll see the Nevada intake tower.